Happy Tuesday. I am back with one more video. How ironic is it that I wore my love t-shirt today? Because, oh my goodness, Bath & Body Works just sent me a PR box in the mail with this sweatshirt. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Bath & Body Works. So check it out. The sweatshirt says, "On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me Bath and Body Works with a snowman." Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And in the box, the little packing peanuts are little hearts. Oh my goodness. So you can actually win the sweatshirt and the package that I'm going to show you. It says giveaway alert. Bath and Body Works just posted it on their Facebook account and Instagram. It says giveaway alert. We're getting in the Christmas spirit with a love sweepstakes. Give love sweepstakes. 5 winners will have a chance to win a very merry bundle, including Bath & Body Works Christmas gear. And there's instructions on both Instagram and Facebook on how to enter. I got a little postcard in my box that says, "Give love." So that's the tagline for this year, give love. Remember last year it was approved by Santa. I like to give love this year. I think it's pretty cool. And then Bath & Body Works sent me 4 of the love products, which is the cotton candy champagne. I gotta say, I am liking this scent more and more every time I wear it. It's kind of my go-to evening scent. I like the strawberry note in here. So it is bubbly rosé, sweet strawberry, and pink sugar. It's definitely a first cousin to like your Boardwalk Taffy. It's completely different than the strawberry pound cake, which you know is my favorite, because it doesn't have the cakey element. It's not a bakery. It's more of a strawberry sugar scent, but it's also got like a nice like champagne pop to it. So I actually really like this scent. I think it's wonderful. They did give me the Diamond Shimmer Mist. This is part of the giveaway if you go to Instagram and Facebook. I love the Diamond Shimmer Mist. They're super fun on for the holidays because you get a little sparkle on your arm going on there. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I really love this one. And then check it out. I got a shower gel. I've been using the shower gel too. The shower gel has got a little bit more of a tart strawberry scent to it. And then I got this cute little single wick. I have one of the single wicks, so I'm going to kind of put them together. I might put one on either side of the, where did my 3-wick go? My 3-wick love. I don't know where I put it. But the candle is super festive and super fruity. And then also included in the giveaway package, they've got a penguin PocketBac, and I don't know what PocketBac scent they're putting. I'm assuming it's the same one. What did they give me? I think they gave me "'Tis the Season." It's Believe in Your Elf. No, it's Frosted Cranberry. Check it out. Believe in Your Elf. It's Frosted Cranberry, which matches the red on the Love collection. So super fun giveaway from Bath & Body Works. I thought that was neat that they were doing that. But it looks like you need to go to Instagram or Facebook. I'll put the links below to the Bath & Body Works Instagram and Facebook accounts if you're not following them. It always helps to follow them on social media because a lot of times before you get the email alert, you'll get the alert on Instagram or Facebook about whether or not they're doing a sale. Like when they were doing the single wick candle sale, the only way I knew was that it like popped up on Instagram. I'm like, woohoo, single wick candle sale today. So that was super fun. So yeah, this pretty much made my day. Getting the sweatshirt. Like I said, they do like a cute little cross stitch pattern on here. Absolutely adorable. So thank you so much, Bath & Body Works. And my heart peanuts. I don't think I want to throw those away. I want to keep them. And then, of course, the Love collection. So anyway, again, thank you so much to Bath & Body Works. I always get excited when they send me a PR box. It's like a little Christmas joy in my life. And thank you to all of you for watching. And don't forget to head over to Instagram or Facebook and check out that giveaway. I'm curious to see if any of my viewers win, that would be fun. I think it goes until November 4th. When's the date on here? I don't see the date on Instagram. I thought I read somewhere that the giveaway went until November 4th. So I would do that sooner or later to enter. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will be back tomorrow with more Christmas. Bye-bye.